Let's continue with the reading of data files. So in the last video, I have just uploaded the file, Excel file in the PyCharm. So we'll go to project, right click, open an explorer, and then copy the Excel files in the folder. And then we can see the files here. Now we will read the files. So import pandas as pd, and then we will give the file path df is equals to pd pandas dot read underscore excel. Why excel? Because these files are in excel format. That is why we are writing excel here. Brackets and inverted commas. Okay, and then first let's read the demographic files. So right click, copy path reference and path from content root, and we will just copy here. Control V. Okay, and now just print and df. So what this function will do, it will print first 5 rows and last 5 rows of the data. Why we are doing this? Because we want to see that all the data points are copied in this file or not, or some data is missing or not. So this is the reason we see the file. So we have employee ID, age, gender, tenure, location. First 5 rows data, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last 5 rows data. So total we have 244 rows and 5 columns. Now if we want to print only first 5 rows, so we write print df dot head and the brackets. Let's run this. So we have only first 5 rows data here. And if we want to check how many columns are there, df dot columns. Okay, and run the program. So we have all the columns: employee ID, age, gender, tenure, location, and the data type is string. Now, if we want to check what is the average age of employees in this data set, so just remove the last line, and we will create a new variable here, average underscore age. Remember why we are using this underscore? Because in Python, whatever variable we create, they must be connected. There should be no space between the variables. So average age is equals to df square brackets, and in inverted commas we'll give the variable name age dot mean. So we have calculated average age, and now we'll print average age and run this program. So average age here is 37.9590. That's a long number. So we have to um, keep it to up to we must keep it either the round number or up to 2 decimal places. So what we will do, we will just round average age underscore age, comma 2 up to 2 decimal places. And before this, I'll just give another. I want heading as well. Average age in is equals to inverted commas, comma, and round average is ever um like if it is all in small letters, we'll write small letters, and if it is capital in small letters, we'll write so. Now run the program, and we got average age is 37.96, or we can write average age of employees is the program. It will give us the same result. Average age of employee is 37.96. Okay, so this is basic average calculation. Now we will make our graph, either line graph or box graph. Just remove this. Now let's write the program for the graph. Import Pandas PD. Next for graph we need matplot. Import matplot library .pyplot as plt. Now we will give the file path pd dot read excel, and the file path. So I'm using the same data, demographics data, the path, and paste. And then we want box plot. So df dot box plot, in the bracket I want columns. Column I want age, comma, by is equals to gender. And then plt dot title. Title will just give anything like age, gender, and then plt dot x label. On x axis we have gender, and plt dot y label we have age, and now plt dot show. Okay, now let's run the program.